Here is my honest review of Pet Fresh Carpet Odor and Eliminator with OxyClean Dirt Fighters. We use this. We have two lab mixed dogs. So we use this on occasion to freshen up our rooms, which I think that's what it mostly does, is eliminates odors. I don't know about the dirt fighting portion of it. I don't notice that it actually cleans the carpet like it says. But I will say it really, really does a great job of freshening the room very, very well. I love that. Pet Fresh Odor Eliminator is a cleaning solution designed to remove pet odors and stains. I'm not so certain about the stains from carpets and upholstery. It leaves behind a pleasant scent. And you just have to make sure that you have to clean up the powdery residue if you don't vacuum it up properly. So you have to vacuum probably a couple of times after you lay it down. But it does really, really does a great job of freshening your room and gets rid of all of those pet odors. I love it. I recommend it. Go out and get yourself some Pet Fresh if you got pets.